What is up, everybody? Jordan here. You know, I get asked frequently, would be an understatement, about grooming and facial hair, and you know, it is definitely a part of style and how people want to present themselves. At least I know for me, that's what it is for me. Now, there are so many different styles that you could achieve, but for me, I really enjoy the natural look. So for today's video, that is what we're going to talk about, the natural look when it comes to facial hair. To achieve this look today, we're going to be using some new products from today's sponsor, Gillette. You know, if you haven't heard of them, I know you've probably seen them around. Your grandpa's probably used them, your dad's probably used them, you might use them right now. They've been around for over 100 years and they just launched a new collection, new line, if you will. It's called the King C Gillette, which is actually the founder's name, which can we just kind of appreciate how cool that name is just to begin with? So we'll be using those products and that line. Essentially, it's really just a destination, that line, for achieving any of the facial hair looks or styles that you want. They have all the tools you need and they have all the products that you need as well to master the kind of style that you're going for. I will have everything linked in the description below if you guys need something new for your grooming routine or if you ran out of something. All the links will be right down there. First things first, you have to decide on your beard style. Like I said in the beginning, we're trying to master the natural beard. I don't really like the lined up edges everywhere like you see in those barber videos. It just doesn't look very real to me. I like the natural look with a little bit of definition in it. So I like to go from shorter on the jaw to longer on the chin. It just makes my face look more structured, makes it look longer, and that's just how I like it. So we're just going to trim in sections until we reach the chin. Short, longer, longer, longest. Also, what I like about these clippers is they have a plethora of different sizes on the guards, which allows you to just achieve all different styles of lengths of beard. So like for right now, I'm on 17. And on top of that, the motor is really, really strong. So if you have a thick beard, especially in the chin area, it's not gonna get stuck on it and like pull out your hair. So that's something that I really like. I usually like to go in afterwards with just the blade by itself to kind of get rid of all the scraggly hairs and just really detail it up. So we're gonna do that right now. Once you're happy with the trim, you go to the neckline and really you go with no guard and just put a line where essentially your neckline meets your under chin, I guess. So just kind of follow the natural shape of your throat area. I'll show you, you'll see. Next up, we're gonna talk about precision. That's gonna be your neckline and for me, my lips. To get the precision that I want for right here and right here, we're gonna be using the transparent shave gel from the King C line. Essentially, it's transparent. You can see what you're actually doing. You don't have to worry about when you use like foam shaving creams. You have no idea where you're going. You're just kind of, might as well just do this while you're doing it and pray. And it's really soothing on the skin because it has aloe and other plant oils inside of it. So the razor has 5 blades, gets it right down to the skin as close as you possibly can, and then when you flip it on the back, it has a precision trimmer. So for you guys that want to get real close on the neck, or real close on the cheeks, or real close on the lips like I like to do, this is absolutely perfect, especially for getting into really tight, crammed spots. So. The precision trimmer really just allows you to have the freedom to do whatever you want, come up with your own unique style, something that's, you know, unique to you. I know a lot of people like this connected. I personally like it to be a mustache and, you know, beard by itself. I don't like to have them connected. I obviously like to keep this nice and clean, nice and defined. Everything else I leave completely natural. So yeah, after that, we go into the maintenance and care for it. So when I'm done, the first thing I usually do is refresh my face, my skin, my hair with a beard oil. And this one right here from the King C line is packed with a ton of oils, and it even has argan oil, which is really important if you know about your hairstyle. Really nice for the hair, keeps it very conditioned, moisturized, very healthy, and it's good for your skin too. So I know with me, after I shave or trim, I tend to have dry skin because you can't really moisturize and, you know, get to the skin underneath the hair. So this is perfect for kind of moisturizing the skin, moisturizing the hair, kind of getting the best of both worlds. And for the icing on the cake, I like to go in with a beard balm. This one from the King C line. It's just another added layer of conditioning. It also is great for styling with all these little straggly hairs right here. You can really pin them down and have a really nice defined beard that looks, you know, natural but also very intentional. It's got cocoa butter, which is another good thing for the hair and the skin underneath. So you're really just moisturizing everything underneath here because it kind of gets neglected throughout the week, throughout the months, throughout the years that you have a beard. So when it's all said and done, you have fresh skin and you have a fresh beard as well. I hope this helped you guys in any way of kind of mastering that natural bearded look. There's literally a lot more that goes into it than just trimming it and then saying, well, we're good to go. There's, you know, the art of putting in those details and the little fine, minute kind of things that make it look like it's natural, but also when you take a closer look at it, you're like, oh, there's a lot of nice little details in there. Put some time into refining his face. So like I said, all the products will be in the description for you guys below. If you need anything, pick some stuff up. Gillette, they've been around for literally over a century. They're tried and true. They're great. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll be talking to you very soon. Send me some photos and stuff like that when you guys trim your beard. I want to see what it looks like. Throw it on the Instagram for me. All right, you guys. Bye.